Hey guys, it's Steve, and today's video is how to safely place an order on Alibaba. You can use Alibaba for lots of stuff. You can use it to sell on Amazon. You can use it to sell on eBay. You could use it to sell on any platform that sells products. Basically, when I go over to Alibaba.com, the first thing I try to filter for is suppliers that offer trade assurance. I use trade assurance every order. It's basically a way for Alibaba to track the order in case you need to do a refund. The Alibaba staff can really take a really close look if you have a trade assurance order, and it just makes things go a lot smoother. The second thing I usually filter for is verified supplier. What this just means is that Alibaba staff have gone out to these factories and trading companies to make sure they're legit businesses. So those are the two I like to filter for, is the trade assurance and verified supplier. So once you've picked out what kind of product you want, you really want to make sure that you've done your homework. One thing you can do is you can take the Freedom Ticket Amazon course, which I'm going to leave the 50% off discount code for the Platinum plan at Helium 10, which will give you access to an actual Amazon selling course for half off with my discount code. It's going to go into the math of selling on Amazon and other platforms like eBay, other platforms. It's going to go into a lot of stuff. It's going to go on to which products to look for, which products to stay away from, how to deal with the Chinese suppliers, how to talk to the Chinese suppliers. The person that does the Amazon coaching for Freedom Ticket is really a good guy, and he really cares about sellers, and he wants you guys to succeed. So again, the first thing I do is I filter it for the trade assurance and verified supplier. And then the next thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to come over and just push contact supplier. You can push this contact supplier button right here. And basically what you guys are going to do is you're just going to say, how much would it cost for, maybe even start with a sample. How much would it cost for one unit shipped to my address? And then I like to use the DDP service, which means it's basically their door to my door. So I ask for DDP shipping. So that way they deal with the customs, they deal with everything. It literally just goes from their doorstep to my doorstep with a DDP service. So that's usually how I'll word it. I'll say, how much for one unit shipped to my address? I definitely advise you guys, anyone that orders from Alibaba, order a sample first, or maybe a couple samples. You don't want to be spending lots of money on Alibaba without getting a sample. So that's one of the golden tips right there. But you basically just push the contact supplier button. You ask them how many units you want. You put your address in, and then they're going to come back with a quote that includes shipping, includes everything. And again, like I said, guys, you really, really want to do your homework. Go over to helium10.com. Check out the Platinum plan where you can get the Amazon selling course Freedom Ticket for half off with my discount code that will be in the description. You want to make sure that when you're buying products that the price is very, very important. You really want to shy away from really low priced items, because with the FBA fees and the PPC costs, it's just so expensive, guys. I like to advise my viewers to try to sell more expensive items on Amazon or eBay, whatever, because when you have the fees taken out, you want to have some pie left over. And PPC can be incredibly expensive. You have your manual campaigns, which you're spending money on, your auto campaigns, your sponsored products. So you want to make sure that this is all fitting together like one big puzzle, but it starts with your homework. So don't even place this order on Alibaba for your products until you watch Freedom Ticket. Watch Freedom Ticket first. You can literally watch Freedom Ticket. I think the Platinum plan is, I think it's like $50 to $100, but with my half off code that will take it down half price. And then you can watch Freedom Ticket, and then after you watch Freedom Ticket, then order your products on Alibaba. I really want to make sure that you guys start out with a sample so that you're not getting screwed over. Ask for trade assurance every time. So when you place this first Alibaba order, you're going to say to them, I want to use trade assurance at checkout. That way Alibaba staff can keep a real good eye on your actual order. I remember my first few orders, man, it was a lot of fun, and I always use trade assurance. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. My name's Steve. I'm a Helium 10 affiliate. Yes, go over to helium10.com. Thank you so much.